In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to Axiom, and this is a full beginner's guide. So the first thing you need to do is to create an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom account, what you have to do is go to this website over here, which is click.tradeonnova.io, or you can also use my link down below, because if you sign up using my link, you will get two bonuses. The first one is you can skip the waitlist, because once you join Nova for the first time, you'll be put in a waitlist, and unless somebody referred you, which can be me if you use my link down below, you'll have to wait. So you'll have to wait for a few hours to be able to use it. And then the second thing, you will get a discount on trading fees as well. So of course, if you want to, make sure you check it out. If you don't want to, that's fine as well. Now, once you are in this website over here, so click.tradeonnova.io, you want to click Download for Chrome. From here, you will be taken to Chrome Web Store, where you want to click Add to Chrome, and then you want to click Add Extension over here. This will instantly, in a few seconds, there we go, add this extension to your Chrome browser. And once you're done with that, you can close it down and go back to the website where it now says Connect Telegram. So you first want to click Connect Telegram, and then you will see this website over here. And if you click on my link, this is actually the website that's going to open up. And from here, if you have Telegram installed on your computer, you'll be able to click Start Bot. But if not, you can use the web version like me and just click Open in Web over here. What this will do is it will take you over here, there we go, to this Nova click kind of trading bot inside Telegram. And what you want to do is just click Launch Nova Click and then click Open. And just like that, it will say Success, you're now connected to Nova Click. You want to press Got it, and then you want to go back to Telegram, where as you can see it will say Successfully Connected to Nova Click. Now before you start using this on Axiom, what you have to do is hover over this and click on Menu, and inside Menu you want to go to Settings and then Nova Click, and make sure Use Panel Settings is green and enabled. If it's not, if it's like this, you want to click on it and make it green so it's enabled. And once that's done, you can basically close down the Nova window inside Telegram and go back to Axiom. Inside Axiom, we're now going to start using Nova, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you want to click up here where you can see this puzzle icon in your Chrome, and you want to make sure your Nova extension is over here, and you can pin it for easier access so you can see it up here without having to click on the extensions each and every single time you want to use it. So once you see this, click on it, and where it says disabled, you want to click on the turn on button. And as you can see, the website now refreshed. Once it refreshes, you'll be able to see these presets. You can set them if you want to. It's up to you, of course. You have the presets for buy and sell amounts, as well as the quick buy amounts. And then after this, you can simply go to polls over here and select a specific coin. So you can either go to polls or discover or whatever you want to do, and then just basically click on a random coin. So I'm going to click on this one, and as you can see, there's now the Nova trading panel, and this is how we can start using it on Axiom. If you don't see it, what you have to do is click Enable Nova Panel over here, and it will appear over these graphs over here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.